A declined card in Bingo Cash doesn't always mean your bank rejected the payment. The problem can come from your card issuer, the payment processor, incorrect billing information, or a temporary security check inside the app. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify the cause and the steps that usually get payments working again. Start by checking that all of your payment information is correct. Make sure the card number, expiration date, security code, billing address, and zip or postal code exactly match the information your bank has on file. Even a small mismatch can cause the transaction to fail. Next, confirm that your card is active and has enough available funds. Some banks also block online gaming or digital entertainment transactions until the cardholder approves them. If you receive a fraud alert from your bank, approve the transaction first, and then try the payment again. If the payment still fails, close Bingo Cash completely and reopen it. Temporary payment errors sometimes disappear after the app reconnects to its payment services. Now, check whether you're running the latest version of Bingo Cash. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and install any available updates. Payment issues are sometimes fixed through app updates released after users report bugs. Another useful step is switching your internet connection. Try completing the payment on mobile data if you're using Wi-Fi, or switch to Wi-Fi if you're using mobile data. An unstable connection can interrupt payment verification before the transaction finishes. Avoid submitting the same payment over and over within a few minutes. Multiple declined attempts can trigger additional fraud checks from your bank or the payment processor, making the problem last longer. If you have another supported payment method, try using that instead. If a second payment method works immediately, the issue is likely related to the original card, rather than your Bingo Cash account. If every payment method fails, the issue may be with the app's payment system or your account. Contact Bingo Cash support and include your username, device model, app version, the exact error message, and the approximate time the payment was declined. That information helps the support team investigate the failed transaction. If your bank confirms that it approved the payment, but Bingo Cash still shows it as declined, avoid creating duplicate payments. Wait for the transaction status to update or follow the instructions provided by support before trying again. To recap, verify your card details, confirm funds, and bank approval. Update the app. Test another network. Avoid repeated payment attempts, and contact support if every payment continues to fail. Following those steps resolves the majority of Bingo Cash card decline issues. If this guide helped you fix the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Bingo Cash tips and app troubleshooting guides.